What if I told you that by the end of this lesson, you could turn a boring spreadsheet into a real working website without writing a single line of code? No programming, no technical background, no expensive developer. Just describe what you want in plain English and Claude Code builds it for you. And that's not even the most shocking part. I'll also show you how Claude Code can control your Chrome browser, click buttons, fill form, navigate websites, and automate repetitive tasks like a digital employee working beside you. By the end of this video, you will see how ordinary people are building apps, websites, and browser automations using nothing more than words. The full workflow revealed step by step. Create a folder, open it in a Claude Code, drag in your file. Write a detailed prompt, quality in, quality out. Accept permissions, choose your safety level. Result, ugly spreadsheet, working web app in 4 minutes. Claude for Chrome browser automation extension. Claude Code build real things, websites, apps, tools. You describe what you want in normal, everyday language, and Claude builds it on your computer and it works. I have a spreadsheet I made 5 years ago to track my personal budget. Look at it. It is ugly. It is completely manual. I have to update every single number by hand. It takes me half an hour every month and I hate it. Now I switch to Claude Code and I created a new folder on my desktop called Personal Finance Tracker, and I will copy this file into my Personal Finance Tracker folder. Let me paste the prompt that shows on the screen as well. Let me place there and trust this workspace. Now we wait about 3 to 4 minutes and I want you to really watch what Claude is doing. Reading the file, writing code, creating pages, testing function, fixing any error it finds. Here I am fast forwarding, but I wanted to show the entire process, what is happening in the background in the Claude Code. Now Finance Tracker is live and you can open this HTML file in your browser. What it includes: dashboard, 4 KPI, card, income, spending, net saving, saving rate, monthly budget, income, saving goals, and upload statement. Dashboard is here. You can see. Let me extend the window so you can see properly. So on the dashboard, we have a spending by category, monthly spends, total income, total spending, net saving, saving rate, recent transactions, monthly budget, income, saving goals, upload statements. If you have any recent statement, you can upload here. So this is how we transform our ugly spreadsheet into personal finance tracker dashboard with the help of Claude Code. Now I'm giving you one exercise. Build your first app, a to-do list. Create a folder on your desktop called My First App. Open it in Claude Code. Type this. Build a simple to-do list web app. I can type a task and press enter to add it. I can click checkbox to mark it done. When done, cross it out. Make it work in my browser. For your easiness, I'm going to paste here so you can copy from here. And when Claude asks for permission, click allow. It is only touching the folder you choose. Once it is done, open the file in your browser and you just build an app. Now try changing it just by describing what you want. Change the button color to orange and make the fonts bigger. No code, just word. You are the designer, Claude is the builder. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next module.